This Indian superfood that I'm going to talk to you about today has earned its status of a superfood because of the numerous health benefits that it offers to us. I am talking about Amla or the Indian gooseberry today, why you must make Amla a part of your diet, how much Amla should you consume every day, and 5 easy ways and recipes in which you can include Amla in your diet. If you are interested, keep watching. I'm sure all of you, or at least most of you, know what an amla is. It is this humble looking green colored round fruit that is available and grown throughout India. In some parts of India it is available all around the year, but in some parts it's only available during winters. If amla is not a part of your diet, here are some reasons why you must include amla in your diet. We talk about oranges and kiwis as sources of vitamin C, but amla has much higher vitamin C, about 20 times higher than oranges and 6 times higher than kiwis. Amla is excellent for boosting our immunity and it helps in keeping away cold, cough, respiratory problems and flus. Amla has cosmetic benefits. It helps in keeping our skin radiant and ageless, and it also reduces skin pigmentation. Amla is also great for preventing premature graying of our hair. If you suffer from digestive problems and constipation, include amla in your diet because of its good fiber content. Amla has a mineral called chromium which helps diabetic people in making their bodies more responsive to insulin and thereby also stabilizing their blood sugar levels. There is a big rage about blueberry and green tea because of their rich antioxidant profile. Well, our very own amla has many antioxidants with cardioprotective benefits. So if anybody in your family or you have heart related ailments, blood pressure or cholesterol, I would definitely recommend you to consume amla. If you generally feel lethargic or low in energy, or you have been detected with low iron levels in your body, include amla in your diet as the vitamin C in amla acts as a cofactor for the absorption of iron in your body. After looking at all these amazing benefits that amla offers, it is quite clear why it deserves its superfood status. But like most things, too much of anything is not good for you and therefore you should not start overdosing on amla. It's good to have 1 to 2 amlas every day depending on your taste and liking. Too much amla can lead to hyperacidity or stomach issues. Also, if you're just out of surgery or have bleeding disorders, you must have amla with caution because it can induce bleeding. Now let's look at 5 ways in which you can make amla a part of your diet. Number 1 is Chyawanprash. Amla is the primary ingredient in the Ayurvedic preparation called Chyawanprash. You can have 1 teaspoon of Chyawanprash every day in the morning. You can have it either with water or milk or as it is. The second very easy way to include amla in your diet is to lightly boil it or steam cook it, cut it into segments, throw the seed, apply some salt to it and have it with your lunch. The third way in which you can have amla is in the form of amla juice, which is a great detox by the way, and it literally takes 3 to 4 minutes to make. You will need 3 to 4 amlas for making amla juice for 2 people. Add chopped amlas minus the seeds into a grinder, add a teaspoon of ginger pieces, some salt, about 1 cup water and blend it all. Pass the juice through a strainer, squeeze out juice from the pulp and throw away the pulp. Add a teaspoon of honey to your cups or shot glasses, pour in the juice, mix and serve. Amla juice should be consumed fresh, so make your shots of amla juice and have it immediately. It is best had an hour before or after lunch. The fourth option by which you can make amla a part of your diet is by making a pickle out of it. Pickling amla is a great way to store amla when it is not in season. Here is a quick, easy recipe for making amla pickle. Get some water to boil, lower the flame and add washed amlas to the hot water. Once amla is added, keep the flame low for a few minutes, turn off the gas and cover the utensil for a few minutes. Do not overcook or overboil amla because then there is a fear of losing its nutrients. Once the amlas have cooled down, start segmenting them. Keep the segmented amlas in sunlight for 3 to 4 hours to dry out the moisture slightly. Now it's time to make the masala. I've heated about 1 cup mustard oil. Add mustard seeds, fennel seeds or sauf, some hing, and turmeric powder to the oil. Turn off the gas and let the oil cool down. While the oil cools, add some chopped raw turmeric, ground rye or mustard powder, and salt. I'm using pink salt here. Also add in red chili powder as per taste and a little bit of jaggery to balance off the flavors. Next, add the cooled oil with the spices and mix everything to bring the mixture together. Pour out the mixture of amla achar into a glass jar and keep the jar in sunlight for a few hours for 2 to 3 days. Your amla achar is ready and you can have 1 to 2 pieces of this achar every day with your meals. I know a lot of people have their own traditional recipes of achar making, so feel free to modify any of the steps accordingly. The fifth option for having amla is to make a murabba out of it, which is also a kind of marmalade. Again, very easy to make. Like we did for the pickle, add washed amlas to hot water, turn off the gas and let the amlas stay in the water for some time. Once they have cooled down, chop them into segments and throw the seeds. Add the chopped pieces of amla to a blender and grind till it becomes granular. Transfer the ground mixture to an utensil and add sugar to it. Amount of sugar you add totally depends on your preference. Place the utensil on flame and mix everything well. Keep mixing till the sugar dissolves properly and the mixture turns syrupy. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Turn off the gas and add some saffron or kesar strands and some ground elaichi powder. Mix everything and pour out the murabba in a glass jar. You can have 1 teaspoon of murabba every day with your meals. It tastes great and gives you a daily dose of amla. Like I said before, don't overdose on amla. Use either of these recipes on different days as per your wish. The idea is to make amla a part of your diet and not to overpower your diet with it. I hope this video was useful for you guys. If you have any other recipes that you make using amla, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know. On that note, I'll end the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care until then. Bye.